Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. In this question, we're trying to find the gauge pressure at the gasoline side, which is the purple side. From the air side, the gauge reads 380 kPa. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we've got air, water, oil, mercury, and gasoline. We got the height of water, which is 46 centimeters, the height of oil, which is 51 centimeters, the height of mercury, which is 11 centimeters, the height of the gasoline, which is 23 centimeters. We've got the specific gravity for oil, gasoline, and mercury. So that's 0.79, 0.70, and 13.6 respectively for each fluid. Step 2 lists all the given variables and the unknown. So we want to find the gauge pressure for gasoline, and the given values is just what I've stated from step 1 of the free body diagram. Alright, step 3, find the formula for gauge pressure. So using your free body diagram, we're going to start from the air side, and we're going to put the summation of all the total hydrostatic pressures. Alright, so the convention is we add it when we go down and we subtract it when we go up. Alright, so from the gauge of the air, we are going up. As you can see, the water is actually rising. It's a little bit confusing because even though you're going down in the air gauge, the water itself is actually rising because the pressure is pushing it up. Okay, so we've got rho gh, rho being the density, g being gravity, h being the height. So that is the hydrostatic pressure. So I'm just going to say pressure for each of the fluid. So next one, we're going to add the pressure of the oil because the oil is going downwards. Then we're going to subtract or minus the mercury because it is going upwards. And then we're going to subtract the pressure of the gasoline because it is also going upwards. Okay, and this will equal to the gauge pressure of the gasoline. Don't get confused. This is the hydrostatic version, the rho gh of gasoline. This is the gauge pressure version. Okay, step 4, rearrange for gauge. So by gauge, they mean gauge of gasoline. I'll just write that in so students don't get confused. Alright, so now that we rearranged, we also separated out the density of water and gravity because those are the common factors. Why is that? Because to find the density of the fluid, such as oil, mercury, and gasoline, you gotta multiply it by the density of water by the specific gravity of those specific fluids. So that's why we bring out the density of water. So note that density of water, since this is metric, will be 1000 kilograms per meter cubed. I will put it in a pinned comment where that is referenced. For legal reasons, I can't show you any tables. Okay, step 5, find the pressure of gasoline. So now we just plug and play. So let me just zoom in so you can see the values. Okay, so using the formula that you've rearranged in step 4, we're going to plug in the values. So this 380 kPa is given in the question. This 1000 kilogram per meter cube is the water density. And you've got your gravity. We're going to assume it's 9.81 meters per second squared. And then 0.46 meters. That's 46 centimeters converted into meters by dividing by 100. And that's the same for all the other heights as well. Alright. So now we've got the specific gravity multiplied by the height. The rest of the height corresponds to the hydrostatic pressures. Make sure you've got your conversion factors to cancel out the units, so it will become kilopascal, kPa. So the gauge pressure of gasoline is 363.18 kPa. Disclaimers: the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this using snipping tool. It'll be in your taskbar. If it's not there, type in your Windows search, type in snipping tool. Click on video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button on snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. If you got a question, comments, or if you find a mistake, leave it in the comment section. Since this is a made-up question, your friends probably won't be able to find it, so share it with them. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.